Karie, guess what this is?
I don't know what that is.
It's a pig's nose. It's a box of death. I need to find something I haven't done today to experience something new. So I'm gonna share like this fear I had. It's not really a fear, it's more like an anxiety. Okay, I don't tell anyone this because I feel stupid and you're gonna laugh at me, and that's alright, because that's what I'm telling you anyway. But I get anxiety and hate every single time I get a haircut.
I'm getting my haircut!
This person has the power to make me look stupid for at least 6 weeks. It's a lot of power to give a stranger you don't really know. Here I am, about ready to face my fears. Also, I know I already look stupid because I wait longer than 6 weeks to get my hair cut because I have this like rat tail thing that grows on the back of my head.
Now you're telling me that you were so ingrained with white trash DNA that your facial hair actually grows in on its own, all white trashy like that?
See right there?
I don't know what you're saying, but that's what's going on, yeah.
I woke up feeling kind of funky this morning. I was just like in a funk. You know, to be in a funk, you don't necessarily... There doesn't have to be a reason for it. You could just be in a funk. That's kind of what happens with depression. I haven't really ever found a way to get out of the funk. So what I usually do is I usually go, there's something about water and heights for me that seem to just bring me back to the level, you know? Like meditation usually gets me there, just didn't work today, but my form of meditation, before I even knew what meditation was to... Here, I'll just show you. Karie showed up.
Sorry.
No, it's good. And then I brought her dog with. This is Aria. Oh, by the way. Gone.
Oh, did you get a haircut?
Yeah. You didn't even notice my haircut, Karie.
You have a hat on.
You didn't even... You're a butterfly catcher.
Ah!
Oh, 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 who do you think you are? What do you think you're doing?
Getting in trouble.
You're not supposed to go that way.
No.
You're not very tough. Karie, your dog's not very tough.
Her little barks because she gets in trouble when she does.
Wrong way there, friend.
Are ya?
I'm out of here, guys. That waterfall's scary as balls. I feel a million times better. Do you? It's kind of having a rough morning. I feel good now though.
Well, if you're gonna graffiti the wall, you should learn how to spell.
They got streets and run right. What are we doing, Care?
We're going to Chuck and Don's.
What's that?
It's a pet food and supplies place.
Chuck and Don's. I don't know if she's well behaved. She needs one of these. Carrie, we need this guy.
They have an owl ball.
Squish with mama. He would like
Do
that,
it.
I think. $5 ball?
Do it.
Okay. What do you want? This?
Oh. She's only 8 months, so
Oh.
we're trying to get her out and about.
She's vicious. You gotta be careful.
So we got liver, salmon, or cheddar.
What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments below.
No, we're totally doing it right.
What if they're vegan? They can't have any of that. Squish has an addiction to balls.
Are ya?
This one's naturally Team Hoot style, so this is what we're gonna get here.
Grab 2 of them. Yeah, see.
Oh, where'd they go? That way. Big golden retriever came in. She started to bark. She thinks she's tough.
She got scolded.
She's not tough at all. See? I don't want to leave. I'm coming, guys. I just really like that treat store back there. I want to go back. So I love heights, and there's something about water. So that's like one of my favorite places ever. I don't know why. I always just feel better when I go there. I think that's why I like skydiving so much, is like, maybe I was a bird in a past life. I'm not really sure. Yeah, I kind of worked myself out of my funk. It's usually when there's just too much going on and I start to feel heavy. I had a therapist say that I just had to calm the chatter down, and as soon as I could calm the chatter down, everything would be fine. I don't think I'll ever calm the chatter down, and I think that's part of my strengths. I have a lot of stuff going on. My gift is also my curse, I guess you could say. Yeah, good day. Accomplished everything. Went to that store, brand new. Shared my beer about the haircut. That's brand new. Life is meant to be experienced, and curiosity will get you there. See you tomorrow.